What's the meaning of brag? Brag. Brag.
Brag. Brag. The word brag generally refers to boasting or expressing pride about one's accomplishments, possessions, or abilities to others in a way that can sometimes come across as arrogant or egotistical. It often involves emphasizing one's superiority or success in a particular area. While it can be seen as a form of self-promotion, excessive bragging can also be off-putting and may damage relationships or reputations. In summary, bragging is the act of boasting about one's own achievements or abilities in a way that may be perceived negatively by others.